Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Maru's Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how to set up Ut Loop Lite VPN application on all Android devices for a fast, secure, stable internet access in all countries, all networks. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend. In case you get any problem, let me know in the comment section. I'll guide you through with the procedures on your country's network and the name. So comment your device model, then the network, then the name of your country. I'm going to give you the first server. So first step, subscribe. Second step, like the tutorial. Third step is to open a Google Play Store, and in the Google Play Store, go where you search from, and then you're going to type in Ut Loop Lite. Then search Ut Loop Lite. You're going to search, and then you see which application you're going to be connecting to for a fast, secure, and stable internet access. Subscribe, share, like the tutorial. Alright, this is the application Ut Loop Lite. Download, then after downloading, install, and then after installing, open. Keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, information, education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. Right now, the application has updated itself. Allow all permissions, including the notification permissions. Then after, check later. Even if you want to join the Telegram channel, you are free. Now, before continuing, you're going to come. This is the most essential step. Now, don't skip that tutorial. You're going to come right here, where you see those 3 dots in the top right corner, and then tap on those 3 dots. Choose the first option, which is check updates. This one, and then it will check updates and then update for you the application. The next step, come where you see the first server. If your application is in other servers, for example Canada, VPS, make sure that it is in the first server. Now we're going on our last step. On our last step, we're going to go where you see direct right here. Then where you see direct, look for your country's network. In this case, I'm going to try to connect to, but this method of scrolling is time consuming. Go where you see search here, then type in your country. In this case, I'm going to try to type in Uganda. Sorry, don't know why it lags a lot. Let me try to connect to this one, the learning home bundle. Now I connected to Uganda LAN bundle. Now press the start or begin, then give it some few seconds to authenticate. As you see, it has connected. And what if yours fails to connect? You can also watch a video to get 4 hours. What if yours fails to connect? If yours fails to connect, make sure that you bought learn from home bundle in Uganda. Make sure that you're activated using KYC, or can text me in the numbers are in the bio. If you're in other countries, try to clear the app data, clear the app name. No, clear the app cake, restart the application, restart the device, turn airplane mode on and then off. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Maru's Tech, and then I sign out.